Okay, so this is my house in a typical lighting type condition. This is the farthest shot that I might have inside of my home. The only light on in my home right now is a small lamp next to the chair that I'm sitting in. We are facing the back door. So, in the same order that I talked about them, here they are. This is the Cloud Defensive OLW. This is the Surefire M600DF. This is the Haley Strategic Partners Enforce WMLX. This is the Streamlight ProTac HL handheld light. This is the Surefire Tactician. This is the Smith & Wesson M&P. I don't know the model number. This is the 800 lumen version. They made a couple of versions. And then this is the Surefire X300U. This is the 1000 lumen version. So you see the difference in kind of beam patterns there in my home, right? My home's not very, very large. I live in an old farmhouse, so I don't have really, really long hallways or anything for you. This is the longest distance across the diagonal of my home. So I will measure it off here in just a minute, and I'll also do these same beam patterns in complete darkness, and we'll see the difference there.